Scene script. Hey there, traders and investors, welcome back to financialicon channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of options trading, and I've got something special for you, the best option trading strategy to make money online. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest updates. Now let's jump right in. Understanding the power of options trading. Options trading can be a game changer when it comes to making money online. But why choose options over other strategies? Well, let me break it down for you. Options provide incredible flexibility and risk management, allowing you to maximize your profits while minimizing your risk, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. The secret sauce, strategy unveiled. Now let's get to the meat of it. The best option trading strategy for online success. It's a combination of strategies that seasoned traders swear by. Drumroll, please. The strategy involves a mix of covered calls, protective puts, and strategic call options. It's like creating a powerful financial cocktail to boost your profits while safeguarding your investments. Stick around as I explain each element step by step. Step-by-step guide to the ultimate strategy. Alright, let's break down the strategy into simple steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this guide will set you on the path to success. Step 1. Identifying the right stocks. Step 2. Implementing covered calls. Step 3. Using protective puts for downside protection. Step 4. Leveraging strategic call options for maximum gains. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you grasp the concepts and can implement them with confidence. Real-life success stories. I know you love success stories, and trust me, this strategy has created many. We've got real-life examples of individuals who have turned their investments into substantial profits using this very strategy. Stick around for some inspiring stories that will motivate you to take action. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Now, no strategy is foolproof, and it's crucial to be aware of potential pitfalls. I'll share common mistakes traders make and provide valuable tips on how to avoid them, ensuring you navigate the market with confidence. Conclusion. There you have it, the ultimate option trading strategy for making money online. Remember, success in trading requires knowledge, discipline, and a well-executed strategy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your fellow traders. Subscribe for more videos.